Right tubes, this is sound test number, I don't know. We're going to try it on this without the settings again. Not happy with the sound. It's not easy to fit a mic because you've got to have a great big box thing with it. I'm not very happy to. Looks like I'll be using my old GoPro 4. Well, not GoPro 4. I've got this one because I thought it would be better when I like the GoPro. I'm not happy with the sound. So let's just try this on the tubes. It's quite windy today, but we'll see what difference this makes, if any. Right tubes, this is what we're going to put on. We'll just try that. Let's move this right away. Make sure that doesn't interfere with any. Bits like that interfere with a bit tubes. Let's stuff this on, yeah. Okay. Be easier said than done. Tubes, it was so easy before. Why is it always easy? Right. We've got to see if that makes any difference or not. And I'll leave that setting. Shall I go to another setting while we're here tubes? Or will I know how to do it or not? Probably not. Oh, I don't think I can tubes, can I? Hello. No, I can't alter it tubes while it's recording, I don't think. So we'll try this. See if that's any better. We'll see if that's any better tubes. And it is quite windy today again. So we'll see what this is like too. So quick check. Hey there.